Hey everyone, welcome back. Here is an easy way to make chicken sausages at home. It doesn't take too long. It's fresh and tastes delicious, and the ingredients are very simple. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected. Let's get started. These are the ingredients which we need to make this recipe. To make the sausages, I am using 250 grams of boneless chicken. Cut them into small cubes. Transfer it to a blender and grind this into a fine paste. Into the chicken mince, I am going to add a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of crushed black pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of plain flour, a tablespoon of corn flour. Blend it for about 30 seconds for the ingredients to get incorporated. Now transfer this to a bowl. Divide them into equal portions. To shape the sausages, apply some oil on your palms, then roll them out in the shape of a sausage. Place a sausage on the tin foil, wrap it well as shown here. Secure the ends. Now carefully put the sausages into the boiling water. Let it cook for about 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes now. Let's remove the sausages. Let it cool down completely. Our chicken sausages is ready to be served. You can serve it right away, or you can store it in the freezer and use it whenever you need. Add a tablespoon of oil. Fry them on both sides until golden brown. Add a pinch of paprika. This is optional. You can serve this as a tea time snack. Chicken sausages is beautifully done. Do try this quick and easy recipe. Share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you like this video, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.